Hey guys, it's Tyler, Speedy Salt. Just here at a customer's house today. Business as usual at Speedy Salt. We're gonna check on a customer's water softener. Had a complaint that water is slimy. Soft water should not be slimy. And so we are going to investigate today what could be some potential problems with this softener. So this is the customer's water softener right here. It's a Whirlpool unit. And we are going to, whenever a customer says water is slimy, water should not be slimy, not when it comes out of a water softener. There's definitely something going on. And so we're gonna try a solution today and use a cleaner. This cleaner right here, Santa System. And it's specially made for this, and we're gonna try this first to see if it clears up the slimy water problem. And so here is the salt tank, and this is inside of the salt tank. You have a little barrel like this here, and this top comes off. Now, your salt tank might be to the side, and the little barrel would be inside of that tank and not your resin tank. This is an all-in-one unit. So anyways, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one packet of this cleaner and we are going to put it down the barrel. And what we're gonna do is dump it right down this tube. Just like that. It's only a half an ounce, so get as much as you can in there. And then what we're going to do, close the tank back up, and you can just wait for the softener to regenerate the next time it does. But what we're going to do so it can clean right away is we're just going to hit the recharge button one time. And what that'll do is that will regen tonight at 2 a.m. And it will wake up. The customer will wake up in the morning and have nice, fresh, clean water. So we're using this cleaner today again to a lot of customers and a lot of folks that I talk to about water softeners and such. They're like, yeah, I love a water softener, or oh, I hate water softeners. But the main reason is because they say, and they do this, it makes my skin slimy and it doesn't wipe the salt or the soap off. But really what's happening is your resin beads inside of the softener right here just need a good deep cleaning. And these resin beads are what take away the calcium and magnesium out of your water, and the salt water's cleaning them on a week in and week out basis. But once every 6 to 12 months, you're going to want to use a cleaner like this, so to deep clean them and to get the extra bits of junk and garbage off of the resin beads. So for all of your water softener salt needs, go to our website, speedysalt.com, the best salt delivery service in San Antonio, Texas, speedysalt.com. Check to see that your address is, that we deliver to your address, and we will be out delivering to you next week. Just get in, sign up right now, speedysalt.com. If you like these videos, keep checking for more, and we will see you next time.